students. Today we are discussing about problem number 6. Find the equation of the plane. Find the equation of the plane bisecting the line segment joining 2, 0, 6 and minus 6, 2, 4 and perpendicular to it. See here, what is the given points here? The given points are A 2, 0, 6 and B minus 6, 2, 4. Now see here, what is the direction ratios of normal? That is what, how we can find the direction ratios here? x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Now take this is x1, y1, z1 and this is x2, y2, z2. Here what is x2 here? That is what, minus 6 minus x1 2. What is y2? 2 minus y1 0. What is z2? 4 minus z1 6. Now here minus 6 minus 2. How much that is? Minus 8. 2 minus 0 2. 4 minus 6 that is minus 2. So these are the direction ratios of normal. So now this is multiply with minus here 8, 2, 8, minus 2, 2. And next see here M is the midpoint of AB. Here M is the midpoint of AB. Now see here M equals to, what is the formula for finding midpoint? What is the formula? That is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now see here, take the given parts, that is C. Now what is x1 here? 2 plus x2 means what? That is minus 6 by 2. What is y1? 0. What is y2? 2 by 2. This is equals to 2 minus 6 by 2. 2 by 2. So what we are getting here? C. Then 2 minus 6 means what? That is minus 4 by 2. 2 by 2 means what? That is 1. And here minus 2, 1. So this is the midpoint of, okay, and take here, this is 2 dimension. We are taking that is 3 dimension. Z1 plus Z2 by 2. What is Z1 here? Means that is 6 plus Z2, 4 by 2. And here also 10 by 2. Now this is what? 10 by 2 means what? That is 5. And here minus 2, 1, 5. Next see, what is our equation of the plane? That is A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equals to 0. Now here the direction ratios of the normal are denoted by what? A, B, C. Now what is A here? 8 x minus, what is x1 here? That is minus 2 plus, what is B here? minus 2 into y minus what is y1? 1. Next, what is C? 2 into z minus what is z1? 5. This is equals to 0. So see here 8 into x minus into minus plus 2 plus into minus minus 2 into y minus 1 plus 2z minus 2 5 10 equals to 0. See now what we are getting, this is multiplied with 8. Now 8x plus 8 to the 16 minus 2y minus into minus plus 2 plus 2z minus 10 equals to 0. So what we are getting, see 8x minus 2y plus 2z plus 16 plus 2, how much that is? Plus 18. 18 minus 10, how much that is? Plus 8 equals to 0. Now this is our required equation of the plane. This problem is also important. See now listen once again. Take the given points that is denoted by A and B. Next we have to find out the direction ratios of normal by using which formula, that is x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1 comma z2 minus z1. So what we are getting the point here, that is 8 minus 8 comma 2 comma minus 2. This term is multiplied with what? Minus. Minus into minus plus 8 comma minus 2 comma 2. So now see here what is given here, the equation of the plane bisecting the line segment means here what is the m? M is the midpoint of AB. What is the formula for finding midpoint here, that is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2 comma z1 plus z2 by 2. Now what is x1 here? x1 is what, that is 2 plus what is x2 minus 6 by 2, and what is y1? 0 plus what is y2? 2 by 2 comma what is z1? 6, and what is z2? Plus 4 by 2. Now 2 minus 6 by 2, 2 by 2, 10 by 2. 2 minus 6 means what, that is minus 4 by 2. 2 by 2 means what, that is 1. 10 by 2 means what, that is 5. Here minus 2 comma 1 comma 5. And now see, already we know what is the plane equation. A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equals to 0. Already we know the direction ratios of normal, that is denoted by ABC. Now by comparing, what is A value, that is 8 into x minus what is x1 minus 2 plus what is B minus 2 into y minus y1 1 plus c means what, that is 2 and z minus what is z, z1 that is 5 is equals to 0. Now say here 8 into x minus into minus, how much that is? Plus 2 minus plus into minus, how much? Minus 2 into y minus 1 plus this is multiplied with what? 2. Now 2z minus 2 5 10 equals to 0. So this term is multiplied with what? 8. 8x plus 8 to the 16 minus 2y, then minus into minus plus 2 plus 2z minus 10 equals to 0. So what we are getting here? 8x minus 2y plus 2z plus 18 minus 10, that is plus 8 equals to 0. Now this is our required plane equation. Now see the next problem. Next problem number 7. Find the equation of the plane. Find the equation of the plane passing through 0, 0, minus 4 perpendicular to the line, perpendicular to the line joining the points, joining the points 1 comma minus 2 comma 2 and minus 3 comma 1 comma minus 2. See now, here what is given? Find the equation of the line passing through which point, that is 0 comma 0 comma minus 4 and perpendicular to the line joining the points. See now, the given points are A 1 comma minus 2 comma 2 and B minus 3 comma 1 comma minus 2. So now the first point is denoted by x1, y1, z1. The second point is denoted by x2, y2, z2. So now the direction ratios of normal, that is what? AB. By using which formula, that is x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1 comma z2 minus z1. What is x2 here? That is minus 3 minus x1 means 1. What is y1? 1 minus of y2 minus 2. What is z2? Minus 2 minus what is z1? 2. Here minus 3 minus 1. How much? That is minus 4. 1 minus into minus plus 2. Minus 2 minus 2, that is minus 4. Minus 4 comma 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3 minus 4. So these are the direction ratios of normal. And see, so these are denoted by what? Small a comma b comma c. The next result. See here, what is our plane equation? The plane equation is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equals to 0. Now see here, what is ABC? That is minus 4 into x minus x1. What is that? The C plane equation is passing through which point? That is 0 comma 0 comma minus 4. Now these are denoted by x1, y1, z1. What is x1? That is 0. Now what is b here? 3 into y minus what is y1? 0 plus what is c here? Minus 4 into z minus what is z1? Minus 4. This is equals to 0. Now see here, minus 4 into x, that is minus 4x plus 3 into y, 3y. Now we are plus into minus minus 4 into z, minus into minus plus 4 equals to 0. Now see here, minus 4x plus 3y minus 4z, minus into plus minus 4 4 16 equals to 0. Now this plane equation is multiplied with the minus. So what we are getting here? 4x minus 3y plus 4z plus 16 equals to 0. Now this is our required plane equation. You see the next problem. see here. Next, problem number 8. Find the equation of the plane through 4, 4, 0 and perpendicular to the planes and perpendicular to the planes 2x plus y plus 2z plus 3 equals to 0 and 3x plus 3y plus 2z minus 8 equals to 0. Now see here, given equations of planes are 2x plus y plus 2z plus 3 equals to 0. Take this is equation number 1. Next one, 3x plus 3y plus 2z minus 8 equals 0. Take this is equation number 2. And see the given point B. What is the given point here? The given point B, that is what? 4, 0. Now equation of the plane passing through the point equation of the plane passing through the point A 4, 0 is, what is that? Already we know what is the equation of the plane, that is A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equals to 0. So now take this is x1, y1, z. A into x minus, what is x1, that is 4, plus b into y minus, what is y1, 4, plus c into z minus, what is z1, 0. This is equals to 0. So now this plane is perpendicular to equations 1 and 2. This is perpendicular to equations 1 and 2. So what we are getting here? Now here that is 2a plus b plus 2c equals 0. Next what? 3a plus 3b plus 2c equals to 0. Now see, solving the above two equations, what we are getting here? We take this is solving the above two equations. So what we are getting here, by doing intersection method, what is b coefficient, that is 1, c coefficient 2, a coefficient 2, b coefficient 1, and here what is b coefficient, 3, c coefficient 2, a coefficient 3, b 3. Now here a, b, c. See now what we are getting here, a by 1 2 is how much 2 minus 3 2 is 6. Now b by 2 3 is 6 minus 2 2 is 4. Now c by 2 3 is 6 minus 3 1 is 3. Now here what we are getting, a by minus 4, b by 2, c by 3. Now these values are substituted in equation number 3. So then substitute the corresponding values in equation number 3. So what we are getting here? Now a means that is minus 4 into x minus 4 plus what is b here? 2 into y minus 4 plus what is c here? 3 into z minus 0. This is equals to 0. This equation is multiplied with what? Minus 4x minus into minus plus 4 is 16. This is multiplied with 2. 2y minus 2 4 is 8 plus 3z equals to 0. So what we are getting here? Minus 4x plus 2y plus 3z. 16 minus 8. That is what? Plus 8 equals to 0. Now this plain equation is multiplied with what? That is minus. Means that is 4x minus 2y minus 3z minus 8 equals to 0. This is our required equation of the given plane. So now see, these are once again this problem. See here, what is given here? Find the equation of the plane through 4 comma 4 comma 0 and perpendicular to the planes, that is 2x plus y plus 2z plus 3 equals 0 and 3x plus 3y plus 2z minus 8 equals 0. Now what is the given equations of planes? That is, take that is 1 and 2. And what is the given point? 4 comma 4 comma 0. The equation of the plane passing to the point A. What is that? 4 comma 4 comma 0. This is what that is. A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equals to 0. Now the above equation is passing through which part? That is A. Denoted by that is x1 y1 z1 means 4 comma 4 comma 0. Substituting x1 y1 z1 values in the above equation, we are getting equation number 3. That is perpendicular to equations 1 and 2. So then equation 1, that is 2a plus b plus 2c equals 0 and 3a plus 3b plus 2c equals 0. Solving the above two equations, we are getting ABC values. And substitute ABC values in equation number 3. So now what we are getting here? What is a value here? A is nothing but minus 4 into x minus 4. What is b value? 2 into y minus 4. Yes, what is c value? 3 into z equals to 0. This is multiplied with minus 4. Then minus 4x minus into minus plus 16 plus 2y plus into minus minus 2 4 is 8 plus 3z equals to 0. Minus 4x plus 2y plus 3z. 16 minus 8, that is plus 8 equals 0. 4x is multiplied with minus, then 4x minus 2y minus 3z minus 8 equals to 0. This is our required equation. See the next problem. Find the equation of a plane. Find the equation of the plane to the points through the points 2, 2, minus 1, 3, 4, 2, 7, 0, 6. See now? Now here, what is the plane equation? Now A into plane equation is A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equals to 0. Now this is passing through 2 comma 2 comma minus 1. Now see here, A into x minus, what is x1? 2 plus b into y minus, what is y1? 2 plus c into z minus, what is z1? Minus 1 is equals to 0. See now, A into x minus 2 plus b into y minus 2 plus c into z minus into minus, that is plus 1 equals to 0. Take this equation number 1. Now this is passing through points, that is 3, 4, 2 into 7, 0, 6. Take the first point, then what we are getting here, A into, what is x value? 3 minus 2 plus b into, what is y value? 4 minus 2 plus c into, what is z value? 2 plus 1 equals to 0. 3 minus 2 is nothing but 1. Now A, 4 minus 2, 2, 2b plus 3c equals to 0. Okay, this is equation number 1. Next, take this is equation number 2. The next thing, what is another equation? This is passing through 7 comma 0 comma 6. You see here, A into x minus 2 plus b into y minus 2 plus c into z plus 1 equals to 0. It is passing through 7 comma 0 comma 6. See now what we are getting? Now A into x means what, that is 7. 7 minus 2 plus b into y means 0 minus 2 plus c into z plus 1 means 6 plus 1 equals to 0. 7 minus 2 means what, that is 5a minus 2b plus 7c equals 0. Okay, this is equation number 3. Now solve the equations 2 and 3 by intersection method. Solve the equations 2 and 3. What we are getting here? Equation 2, that is b coefficient 2, c3, a1, b2. And here what is b? Minus 2, c coefficient 7, a5, b minus 2. These are denoted by a, b, c. What we are getting? C. Now a by 2 7s are how much? 14. Then minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6. Now b by 3 5s are 15 minus 7 1s are 7. and c by 1 into minus 2, that is minus 2. Then 5 minus 2, 5 to the almost, that is minus 10. A by 20, b by 8, c by minus 12. Now substitute the corresponding values in equation number 1. So what can we see? Substitute the corresponding values in equation 1. So what we are getting here? What is a, that is 20 into x minus 2. What is b? 8 into y minus 2. And what is c? Minus 12 into z plus 1. This is equals to 0. Now see here, this is multiplied with 20. 20x minus 40 plus 8y minus 16 minus 12z minus 12 equals to 0. So what we are getting here, 20x plus 8y minus 12z. See now, minus 40 minus 16 minus 56 minus 12, that is minus 68 equals to 0. Now here, what we are getting common here? 4 we are getting common, then 5x plus 2y minus 3z minus 17 equals to 0. Now what is our required equation here? 5x plus 2y minus 3z minus 17 is equals to 0. So now this is our required equation of the plane. So now how we can write this? 5x plus 2y minus 3z minus 17 goes to the side, that is plus 17.